Ever wondered how to choose the perfect tie? The humble tie, often overlooked, yet an essential piece of a man's wardrobe. It's not just about picking a pretty pattern or a striking color. There's a science to it. It's about length, width, material, design, and even the shape of your face. Sounds a bit much? Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. Well, you're not alone. Choosing a tie can be an art in itself. Let's unravel this sartorial conundrum together, shall we? Start with considering the length and width of your tie. The standard lengths range between 130 to 150 centimeters. However, if you're a taller gentleman, don't shy away from requesting longer ties. Now let's talk width. Unless you're keen on keeping up with fluctuating fashion trends, a width of 8 to 9 centimeters is a reliable choice. It's a classic dimension that never falls out of style. Remember, an appropriate tie length is when the triangle tip of the tie touches your belt buckle. Next, think about how your tie will complement your suit. The key here is to ensure harmony between your tie and your suit. A well-chosen tie adds a vibrant splash of color to your suit, enhancing your overall look. To accomplish this, it's essential to consider the color and pattern of your suit. If your suit is solid or subtly patterned, feel free to play around with bolder, more colorful ties. However, if your suit is heavily patterned, stick to solid ties or those with minimal patterns to avoid a visual clash. Also, remember that the color of your tie should not just match but also complement your suit. If you're wearing a dark suit, a light-toned tie can provide a beautiful contrast and vice versa. Finally, never underestimate the importance of seeing the ensemble together. When buying a tie, bring your suit along. This way you can get an accurate picture of how they'll look together. So, always ensure to carry your suit while buying a tie. Now let's dive into the material and design of the tie. The material of your tie is crucial. For everyday office wear, polyester blends are great. They're durable and easy to maintain. However, for business meetings or special occasions, you'll want to step it up a notch. Here, ties made of silk or silk blends come into play. These ties have a luxurious feel and add a touch of elegance to your ensemble. Shifting gears to design, it's best to avoid ties with pictures or cartoons unless you're attending a casual affair. These designs are informal and could detract from your professional image. Instead, opt for solid colors, stripes, or dots. These designs are timeless and versatile, making them an excellent addition to any wardrobe. When matching your tie to your attire, remember to consider the patterns and textures of your clothing. A patterned tie might clash with a patterned shirt, so it's often better to wear a solid tie with a patterned shirt and vice versa. Also, consider the color of your shirt when selecting your tie. A dark shirt pairs well with a lighter tie, while a bright shirt can be balanced with a darker tie. Remember, solid colors, stripes, and dots are your safe bets. Did you know your skin tone and face shape also influence your tie selection? It's true. Just as you would match your shirt and suit to your skin tone, you should follow the same principles when picking out a tie. Let's delve into it. For those with a strong, angular face, striped ties can be your best bet. They complement the sharpness of your features. If your face is more on the round side, dotted and paisley printed ties could be your go-to. These patterns add a touch of dimension and contrast to your rounded features. But remember, solid colors are a universal choice. They can be worn by everyone, regardless of face shape. When it comes to skin tone, it's all about balance. Lighter colored ties can provide a refreshing contrast to darker skin tones, while a darker tie can bring a sense of harmony to lighter skin tones. So, not only the occasion and the shirt-jacket pattern, but your face and skin also affect your tie selection. So, we've covered a lot about choosing a tie. It's a journey that starts with knowing your ideal length and width, remembering that standard lengths are between 130 to 150 centimeters, and the width should generally be around 8 to 9 centimeters. We delved into the importance of matching your tie with your suit, and how carrying your suit while shopping for a tie can make all the difference. We also touched upon the significance of material and design. The occasion dictates whether a polyester blend or a silk blend tie would be appropriate, while cartoonish patterns are best left for informal events. The color of your tie, as we discussed, should complement your attire and skin tone. And let's not forget, the shape of your face also plays a role in your tie selection. Stripes for angular faces, dots and paisleys for rounder faces, and solid colors for everyone. With these tips, you're now ready to choose the perfect tie for any occasion. Happy tie shopping!